Meanwhile, Malacanang assured that quick response teams from the government remain on standby to respond to communities needing assistance following the onslaught of tropical depression Auring. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valtes said government's preemptive measures will hold and will be adequate to meet any of the effects of the weather disturbance. We'll have the full story from Rocky Ignacio.
Malacanang keeps an eye on the effect of Typhoon Auring. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valtes said the NDRRMC and other concerned agencies are still in red alert status. Auring is expected to leave Philippine Airways responsibility, but inclement weather continues to experience in southern Palawan. Valtes said the government has allotted more than 400,000 pesos standby fund and more than 1 million pesos worth of relief supplies for the affected areas.
Nagkaroon na po ng ibang preemptive evacuation doon sa mga lugar, sa mga low-lying areas. At pinagsabihan na rin po ang mga mangingisda natin at yung mga maliliit na seacraft na wag po munang umalis dahil doon sa pagkakaroon natin ng kalagayan ng ating panahon. So nasa red alert na po ang NDRR MC OPSEN at on the part of DSWD naka-standby po tayo, nag-preposition po tayo ng 481,842 and 38 centavos worth of standby funds at 1.33 million worth of relief supplies in Region 4B. So naka-preposition na po at nag-aantay po ang ating mga quick response teams para po sumaklolo at umalalay doon ho sa mga ngailangan at hopefully our preemptive measures will hold and will be adequate to meet any of the effects of the tropical storm.
Meanwhile, President Aquino has appointed 2 undersecretaries of the DSWD and the DOTC. The President signed the appointment of the new government officials last December 21st.
May bago po tayong undersecretary sa DSWD. Siya po ay si Angelita Gregorio Medel. Pinirmahan po ng Pangulong Aquino ang kanyang appointment noong December 21. Bagong-bago. At pangalawa naman po sa DOTC at mukhang nung December 21 din po, bagong-bago rin po ito, si Catherine Jennifer Francis P. Gonzales bilang Undersecretary ng DOTC at bilang Director 3 naman po si Maria Karen S. Oledan. Pinapalitan po niya si Jaime Rafael C. Feliciano.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.